our channel, and on today's vlog, we'll be sharing with you our ELYU experience. Places where you can go, stay, and eat na pwede ang bata at pwede ang pet. So if you want to know more about that, keep on watching! Hi everyone! So yes, we are here in La Union. We would want to relax, rejuvenate, distress. Well, actually, we are here to celebrate my birthday. So we are total of 4 adults. Kasi kasama namin yung mom ko and yung sister ko. Plus of course si Cadence, a 2-year-old toddler. It's our second day here actually in La Union. We were not able to film a lot yesterday kasi sobrang pagod coming from Tuesday shift, but you don't need to worry because we'll be sharing some clips ng pinag-stayan namin here, which is Casa, Playa, here in San Juan. Malapit lang siya sa Awesome Hotel, which is one of the most recommended hotel here. Tip, mag-book talaga kayo in advance kasi punuan yung mga accommodations na gusto talaga namin, like Kahuna, punuan na din talaga sila. So we just decided na go for mas mura para at least mas makatipid din, dahil after this we're gonna go to Baguio pa. One good thing about this place atong Casa La Playa is the outdoor nila. Front beach sila, then they also do have their restaurant na merong tree sa gitna. Tapos they also have a pool na open anytime. That's the reason why we were able to do some night swimming kahapon. Yung room, not that much. Don't expect too much kasi yung hindi naman siya ganun kamahalan din. But for us, ano siya, affordable siya and okay na take into consideration kung saan yung location niya. Then also, we went muna sa Masa, which is a well-known cafe here kasi they're only until 5 o'clock. Para siyang sabi ng mga lokal na here na galing ng Manila, para siyang wildflower, yun yung equivalent sa Manila. Which I would agree kasi napakasarap ng mga food nila, yung mga bread, yung iba't ibang klase sila ng mga bread, and affordable to hamak. If you're gonna go here in La Union, better to try Masa. Then, we also went to, of course, yung kilalang Jetsam and Jetsam hostel. Well, actually, it's a hostel, pero pumunta kami doon to eat. Kahapon nandun pa si Rico Blanco. Wow. So, okay siya na nakainan na resto and, well, actually, bar siya. So, FYI, beyond 8 p.m., hindi na pwede ang minors. But again, if you're gonna go here in La Union, better to try the food and better go doon sa Jetsam and Jetsam kasi napakaganda ng ambience nila. So, very colorful siya sa gabi. We'll be sharing you more of the clips, more of our experience here. But right now, we're gonna go ahead muna sa Awesome Hotel and we're gonna be staying the whole day there because they also do have their day tour. So, stay tuned.
Yesterday.
Hey now, honey, I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good time, ain't doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Hey now, honey, I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good time, ain't doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Having a good time, ain't doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Hey now,
Jump! Yay! Good job! Done. 1, 2, 3, go! Yay! One, two, yay! Oh, come here. Go, go, kick, kick. Yay!
Meanwhile,
Wow, you're carrying Zoe. Wow! Natulong-tulong niya. Sige lang, okay lang. Natulong-tulong ni Lola. BTS. Ito ang totoong nangyayari. So, we are going to Awesome Hotel, but this is the beachfront. I mean, this is the tapat ng Casa La Playa. So, beachfront talaga siya because Casa La Playa is here. Merong gazebo dyan. There. Tapos, ito yung daanan. There.
a few inches later.
So, we are already here sa Awesome Hotel and unfortunately, hindi pala pwede ang pet. So,
What?
umuwi muna sila Gia saka si Jonah. Looks like iniwan yung kasama namin pet doon sa staff. Sana sa staff mo, parang hindi iwan lang yung sa room namin. But right now, it's lunchtime. It's already past 12. Konti lang naman yung tao. Yeah. Probably it's because weekday pa lang siya. And nobody is in the pool. There, there's the pool.
Wow!
Yeah, infinity pool siya. So, walang tao kasi mainit. Pero to si Cadence, ayaw muna kumain. Gusto niya muna daw mag-swim. So, we're just going to look for food na i-order namin. Then, baka mamaya namin papaserve. Then, mag-pool muna kami. Run, 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 run! 1, 2, 3, go! Hindi ka naman sumasama kay daddy mo.
A few moments later.
Stay here, no, ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I
nag-start na mag-swimming si Cadence. Ayun, nandun siya sa jacuzzi there with her lola. Then, yung pool, napakalaki. It's an infinity pool. Ganda naman talaga yung pool nila sa yung hotel itself. Now, regarding sa food, masarap yung food. Okay, masarap yung food. Medyo pricey nga lang siya for us. Saka, karamihan ng mga food nila for solo. Pwede naman for sharing kung hindi ka naman talaga ganun ka, katako or kagutom. Pero nag-range siya ng mga around 300 plus pataas. So, konti lang yung mga 300, yung mga appetizer lang yun. Usually, it's really 400 pataas. So, yun siya. But, it's good. We're going to enjoy muna the pool.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. The summer night, the summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We never.
Happy birthday, man. Birthday, man. Happy birthday, husband.
You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night.
So, ayan, nakapag-ayos na kami and we are on our way to Kabsat. So, kagagaling lang namin kanina sa Awesome Hotel and the experience was
Good. Great, actually.
okay. We stayed there for mga 6 hours na, no? So, yung kasama pala doon sa day tour is 5 hours na sa
Full
pool.
time.
Pero, mas more than 5 hours kami nandun and Kaydas really enjoyed. Okay, yung jacuzzi nila. Saka hindi ganun kalamig yung water.
May heater yung jacuzzi.
Yes, oo. Tapos, yung food, masarap naman. Though, aminin natin, medyo expensive
Mahal.
talaga siya. Yes, oo. Buti na lang, hindi naman kami masyado nag-go-over dun sa aming consumable. So, right now, like what we've said, we're gonna go to Kabsat, one of the well-known restaurants then here. And pwede ang pet. We made sure of that kasi tumawag na kami kanina. We're gonna check kung ano yung mga food nila and kamusta yung price and kamusta yung food.
Yeah.
So, hopefully, we can give you an update later about that. So, keep on watching. So, we are here at Kabsat at hindi ako nagsisisi at nandito kami kasi yung mga prices nila okay siya, affordable siya, knowing na kilala silang restaurant and recommended sila ng mga pumupunta dito. We ordered a lot. Yung mga range talaga parang mga ano lang 350 good for tuna. Tapos yung mga seafood nila ranging from 350. Ang pinakamahal na dito is 680, yung mga lapu-lapu. So, it looks like okay naman siya. Ngayon, magkakatalo sa lasa. Pero the ambience, okay yung ambience dito. Gabi lang, no? Kaya medyo, ito yung light nila. I think okay dito kapag, umaga. Knowing na, sila, beachfront sila, tapos may mga lounge chairs sila doon sa harapan. So, if you're gonna go here to La Union, try nyo rin dito sa Kabsat. Dahil maganda yung place and okay naman yung mga prices na kanilang.
City lights are making.
One eternity later.
Let's go. Let's go there. Come on. Hold. We can't fit. Last breakfast. No, we're not gonna sit there, love. Here tayo magsisit. Come on, let's go. Sit here.
A few inches later.
We are checking out here sa aming accommodation and we're gonna go muna sa ELYU Cafe. Dadaan muna kami doon. Baka magta-take out kami. That's also one of the most recommended cafe here in La Union. Then after that, we're gonna head to Baguio. So hopefully, you were able to get some ideas on where to go to stay, eat here in La Union. Thank you for watching! See you soon! Oh, ay! Hoy, oh, dito ka! Okay, dance, let's go! Bye! Mommy's going! Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Oh, you say bye to ate! Bye! Thank you! Say thank you! Okay! Bye-bye!